chuck roast in the oven. Looks great and tastes fantastic. I have 3 pounds of meat. Use sea salt on both sides. Add bacon fat to the pan. On high heat, sear for about 5 minutes on each side. When preparing chuck roast, it's important to sear it first to lock in flavors, then cook it slowly, either in the oven or a slow cooker to achieve a tender texture. Looks great, man. Let me add some more bacon fat, just like that. Let me get that side too. Look at my Brazilian trick. See? You need to be here because it smells amazing. For the marinade, use bacon fat, half a lime. So far, so good. Can you follow along? A medium onion, garlic to your taste, cilantro to your taste, and Brazilian-style sazon because it tastes like samba. Blend it. Beautiful. Stab the meat on both sides. Add the marinade everywhere, even in the holes. Chuck meat refers to a specific cut of beef that comes from the shoulder area of the cow. It's known for its rich flavor, but can be tough if not cooked properly. It's commonly used for pot roasts, stews, and braises because the connective tissue breaks down during slow cooking, resulting in tender meat. Perfect. Put the meat in a Ziploc bag and let it marinate in the refrigerator for 3 hours. The marinating process helps to enhance its flavor and juiciness before cooking. Overall, chuck meat is popular for its affordability and versatility in various cooking methods. Now, do this. Put all the marinade on top of the meat. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Remove from the oven. Smells so good. Save all the juices so you can make gravy. Set the oven to broil at 500 degrees. Leave the meat in for 15 minutes. Remove and you are done. I will have mine with white rice and gravy. Oh man, this stuff is delicious. Thank you, God, for the delicious meal.